Welcome to ScrewTech. Today we'll show you how to get Delta Executor by direct install. No ESIGN, no Scarlet, and no Feather Signer. Let's get on with the video. First, delete the current Delta Executor you have. Now go to my website. I'll leave the link in the pinned comment. Get Skibidi Tech DNS by tapping on here. Tap on Download. Tap on Allow. Go to Settings General, then VPN and Device Management. You'll see a profile called Skibidi DNS. Tap on it. Hit Install. Then please subscribe to me. You don't have to though. You'll probably have to enter your passcode. Tap Install. Go back to my website and scroll to Delta section. Press the one with Direct Install in its name. Press Direct Install and finish the tasks. Close the task pages after you tapped on it. To 0.1x speed BTW. After you've finished the tasks, press Unlock and Install to let Delta Executor install on your iOS device. After you installed it, open the app. Now it'll say Entrusted Enterprise Developer. Go back to Settings and back to VPN and Device Management. Tap on China Telecom. After you tap on Trust, you have to restart your device. After you restarted your device, you can now use Delta Executor. Enjoy Delta.